mashallah, they prepare food for us, very tasty. I think, of course, this delicious. This is plow with the meat.
Mutton plow.
Mashallah. And with chutney. Oh, I like
Yeah,
this
chutney,
chutney
very
with
beautiful.
salad. Mashallah. Okay, with Sister Mariam. So, thank you so much for their preparation. And first time I come here also in their place. Very nice also their place, and also most especially their house. After I will meet tour their house. Very big, mashallah, mansion. Now we arrive here in their house around what time we arrive? 1 o'clock, 1:30. So 30 minutes ago we took already our lunch. So we stay here and this we took our lunch here. Here. Very nice. Ceiling, cupboards, carpet, sofa, mashallah, and dining table. And they have also fridge here in very big freezer, very big. And they have also, aside from freezer, they have also refrigerator, very big refrigerator, and there is also room. Very nice their bed. There is no light, I think, or no need light. So ceiling, carpet is good, and sofa also, mashallah. Cabinet, dressing table, and this, what you call this? Very nice, and washroom, ceiling. Oh, there is also a and their kitchen. Wow, mashallah, they have cook also. Very nice, they cook. They cook very tasty. Mutton plow. Their kitchen, very nice kitchen. Mashallah. And there is also one room here, but they did not open light. Stock room, so many blankets here. And also there is also going up ladder. So we go up so we can make video up. I already asked permission to make video. Wow. Very nice. Their house, very big. 2 story, no? Second story? 2 story? Okay. You see this from here. This is second floor. Mashallah, mashallah. Sofa. And you see, very nice. Wow, mashallah. Mashallah. They have also selling, what you call this, fan. Mashallah. Oh, there is also room here.
Wow, beautiful.
I am afraid. I afraid. Allah. I afraid. I think this. Oh.
No,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
he's cute face.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Smiling.
Oh, mashallah. Now you can see the view
Oh,
outside.
this is so beautiful.
Oh, mashallah. Very nice. Uh, second floor, no? Third floor. Second story. Third. This is third floor. Oh,
Wow.
mashallah. Very nice. Oh, you see? You see the view, very nice, beautiful. And this, as you can see, the building that is, what is this building?
College?
University?
University.
Pons University, where Fahad is making training in that building. That one. Yeah, this one. We are in third floor, 3 story. Very nice. So many trees, different kind of trees. There is bird. Bird.
What?
Bird. There is
Where?
bird.
Yes.
Hey.
This is normal. Not the blue, not the red, yellow. I want long
We have
tail.
also a circle table, and you can make also here.
He's so big.
Hmm?
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi, they have very big. Oh, this Wi-Fi for them?
Yes.
You know. Mashallah, very nice. Oh, there is also there outside. Yun, ang laki ng bahay. Very big, mashallah. You see, there is roll also of carpets. Very big. Oh, there is also up. Oh, dining table also up. Oh, ay, mashallah. Very big. Very big. Very big, mashallah. Mashallah. You see the ceiling. Every room there is fan. Ah, 2 fans. Oh, with table, dining table. Mashallah. Nice. There is also. This is. We go also outside.
Okay, we can go for that.
Ah. Oh. What is this flower? Very nice flower. You see, nice flower.
Yeah.
Okay?
Rose.
Ah, magic rose.
This is rose.
Yeah, magic rose, very small.
Cute.
This one. Yeah. This one, oh.
Okay, we will go.
Okay, done. Ah, we go from here before? Apartment?
Mm-mm.
No, other? No, this one. That's how we go. No, please.
This is the orchard.
Very nice.
And this upstairs also yours.
Oh, this very nice. This magic rose. There is also up. Nena, no?
No.
No? Third story, their house. Yan. Very nice. Very nice views. Yan. So many different kinds of trees. Yes, you can see the houses over there. 4 big houses, mansion. And they have also tree of apricots, abundance green fruits of apricots. And they have also apples. This is their house, very big. Now we are going back. We stayed there almost, I think, 3 hours.
No,
Huh?
not yet.
It's very nice. Very big buildings. Iya ka wala na manab wala buildings di ka wala. Wala buildings ke.
ये चिनार हो
Ah, Chinar Hotel.
इधर शादियां होती हैं
Ah, this is hotel.
ये जो साथ है ये जन्नत पैलेस है
Ah, this is Chinar Hotel. Oh, yeah, that is very big buildings. Chinar Hotel. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Very big buildings.
From here we are going this. Yes.
Ah,
Your house is a big house.